Brad 62 Falcon. Little itty bitty inline 6 car with little itty bitty Holly. We love these. The Rust Bucket Revival car has the same carburetor. These are just so simple, adorable little carbs. But oof, man, varnish land. The land of the varnish. Anyway, let's get this ripped apart. Varnishy. Ew. Oh, inside the bowl sure was nice. Ugh. Sediment land. Last time I saw that much white powder, there was razor blades and mirrors involved. Woo! Coke joke. Anyway, alright. Pull this out. There's our floaty float. That'll come out in a moment. Gotta get in here, unscrew some stuff. There's our jet. Undo our accelerator pump. Shing it out here. So the diaphragm here actually looks pretty fresh. Like somebody tried to band-aid this up, but then they somehow left the gasket. Alright. Digging in. Dash pod off real quick. Nice and easy, just unthreads. Still works good. Crispy. Had to be decades ago that this was rebuilt. Pulled out our needle and seat and its hanger, because it's just a threaded shingadera that lives in here. There's the washer for it. There it is. I gotta get accelerator pump arm off here. Get this off. I'm gonna pull the choke too. I gotta get our metering block out as well. 2 more screws. And everything goes for a bath. Alright, whole pump assembly's out. Need to get this mess out of here. That's been in there for ages. So I need to get in there and scrape that. I need to undo our little hex there on the stud. And pull that out. And then we'll soak this bitch. The accelerator pump diaphragm was crispy. Ugh. So that's probably the old nasty gasket from the chem dip touching it. Ugh.